out there digging holes looking for you. Are they?
Are you guys hot?
Oh.
Do you need some water?
Yeah.
Maybe you should do something different for all these holes.
Water, please.
I've got an idea.
Yeah. Wait, no. I know, I'm not ready.
The audience wants to thank you for your contribution.
I taste dirt everywhere. I just crunch every time I close my mouth.
You get close up and hear the crunching in my mouth right now?
Camera right now.
Wow.
We're started over there, worked our way over out there to the corner, over there, and all the way back up to here where we're at right now. And we just gotta finish this small little section right here. And it feels like death right now. At the end of the day, this is when you call it a day. It's the end of the day, and this, my friends, is when you call it a day. You kids ready to call it a day? Happy birthday to you.
I did it! I made it!
In one
Amazing! It was like wind. I have a confession. Confession I need to share. I have gas.
Yeah, what does the red screen mean?
Red screen means I'm recording. There you go.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Focus on pop.
Oh Jim, look at this.
What'd you call it? What was it? What did you call it? Gas? What is it?
Gas?
Gas. Remember you said a gas. What does it stand for?
Gear accessory syndrome.
Gear accessory syndrome.
Gear accessory syndrome.
Short definition meaning you're never happy with the gear you have, or you always got to get something, the next thing up the gear, which is not 100% true. However, we did get some sick gear this week, some real sick gear, and we're going to show you that footage right now.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time.